What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and I'm back doing another Adobe Photoshop thumbnail creation. This time we are making a thumbnail for the creative processing of... How do I explain these easier every time? I need to explain. So basically, I created a shatter thumbnail, and then for the video of that creation, I needed a thumbnail. And so this is the thumbnail for the video where I created that one. So this is shatter thumbnail squared creation process. That's what this thumbnail is. All right. Shatter. Then we're going to go ahead and turn these ones off. Thumbnail. Hit that 2 there. Make that 2 white. Make it a upper there. An upper. You know what? Actually, yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Take Control H to bring these up. Select this, align center. We're actually going to make this thumbnail. Dun, dun. Shatter. Thumbnail 2. So the reason I'm doing this is because we're going to use this to say creation. Show you right there. There we go. Did I fix? There's. Might as well do that now. All right, let's try to use these thumbnails. V. Center it. Get out of here. Then we're going to come over to layers, and then we're going to select this one. This is T for text, I think. Absolutely. Then we're going to call this creation process. Hit V. This one here, this is aligned center. Now we have them all aligned center. Shatter, thumbnail, squared, creation process. Then we're going to want to come back in here. Let's go ahead and make these spread out a little bit. These T's are a little bit close. So let's go ahead and up this to 100. Maybe even 150. Actually, what's 200 look like? 200 is... Sometimes I get a little clicky noise going on in my audio. Sounds like an air compressor, if you've ever heard what an air compressor is. $150. V, align center. All. What if I took this one, it this way? This is like 40. 42. Creation. I don't really want to spread that out too much more. Shatter. Thumbnail 2. Thumbnail squared. Creation process. Maybe I should just close in creation. Make it more in line with this one. Control S to save. Control H to bring back my lines. I don't think I'm going to be able to get all these done. Taking a lot longer than I anticipated. Control 1 brings you to the 100% view. These look pretty close to the same. I'm not mad at that. Process is a little tight. I think I gotta figure something out. I'm gonna brainstorm while I'm creating these other ones, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the colors of the background. That's the easy fix right now. So like, there's gonna be, for this example, let's say there's the shatter thumbnail for the VOD. Okay. And then I need a thumbnail for the creation of that thumbnail. So that one will be gray. Or maybe I use colors from the thumbnail. So like blue. Let's just go with whatever for now. Blue. And then for the creation of the second thumbnail, which would be kind of like this one, that would be light blue. And then for the creation of that thumbnail, it would be like a more of a blue going into a gray. And then once we hit gray, maybe that's where we switch it up completely. Because at that point, you're out of, like, maybe you're creating a thumbnail, but maybe we don't name them that anymore, right? Like, we take it away from that creative process or something. Just something to kind of distinguish between them a little more. And trying to get all of these to fit nice and square inside this when it's like shatter thumbnail, video editing, thumbnail, video for, it just gets a little long-winded. Let's go ahead and export. I'm just going to knock these out. Creative. What is this for? Thumbnail squared. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on the video that's uploaded to YouTube. It's not scheduled yet, but these videos are going to be coming out within the next 2 weeks. So go ahead and check those out when they do. And while I'm putting this on YouTube, hopefully you go watch one of my other videos. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.